good gravel barb we got to look. And catching some drum. I got a small one cleaned in the cooler. You probably can't tell it, but right there tied onto the raft, we got about a pound and a half drum, maybe 2 pounds. He's alive. I'll show him to you before we clean him. We'll probably eat him later. Getting pecks here. Not a bad hole of water. I'd like to get a live sunfish. We would hang him near that treetop with that drift pile on it in the middle of the screen. And we'll maybe get a shiner and fish it down there near that log for a channel cat. Alright, I'm going to look this gravel bar for a while before it warms up. Hopefully cover the American artifact. Couldn't even get the camera adjusted before we hooked up. A small one probably, yeah. Third one of the morning. Third one. Can't get no live sunfish. We're gonna throw that drum out there in front of that root pile. About right there. We'll fish with the other rod below it. Well, we got that big rod down there leaning against the raft, tied on with a fish stringer. Guess we need to get lucky. What, false alarm? He's back. And then we missed him. Sitting there eating Cheez-Its. I think I'll enjoy this delicious looking apple. Good mid-morning snack. I don't know, it's probably 10:30. Not sure. Once again, got it facing downstream with the funnel mouth slightly tilted up. There ought to be some shiners here. 10:30 now. A couple hours we may check it, but don't wash away. Got this Missouri nightcrawler on there. I don't know if you can see him or not. Send him down there. How long do you think he'll stay out there? Sometimes they hit that as soon as it hits the water. Sometimes it might take a few minutes. Something was pecking. Drilled in once, half that nightcrawler was gone, didn't see you get a peck. I bet by now, them few pecks, nightcrawler's gone too. Got one of them jumping fish. Two. We got a spot, I bet it's a spot. Yeah, I can tell just looking at it, old Kentucky. Bigger crud. I think you allowed 12 of these things. He swallowed that nightcrawler way down. These are what compete with our smallmouth bass. Last 25 years, Kentucky bass been coming out of this Bourbon stream. We're eating this one. Tongue patch and all. Here's that drum I caught off video early this morning. He's probably a pound and a half. Since we got a small drum and that Kentucky bass. Thanks for playing, buddy. Oh, it's thumbs up. Back it. Missed him. Happens a lot on this channel, don't it? Yeah, there's something hitting it again. And we hooked him. Look at that. Little pangolin channel cat. Pretty little beautiful feller. Settle down, we'll get you back in there real quick. Multi-species. Still can't get that live bait sunfish no matter what we do. We know they're in here. Thanks for playing, buddy. And we hooked another one. I don't know what we got this time. This is a little bigger. This is on a Canadian worm. Get down here in the frame. I think we got a bunch of brush. We had something. It is a bunch of brush. Well, here we got something else now. Small drum. Yeah. Luckily not hooked too deep. A small drum. Thanks for playing. Better get him. Oh. A small drum. Probably. Nope, we got a small channel cat. It'd be something good to eat, but we don't need to eat him, so we're going to turn him loose. The tasty one. Thanks for playing. Well, we got our skillet on our alcohol cooker. Put a little of this olive oil in there and give that some time to warm up good. This is creamy style sriracha. I like the original, but this ought to work to put a fish in with breading hold to it better. Sriracha and Andes, fried in olive oil. Andes, what I like. Got it all in there. Give the grease more time to warm up. We'll get them in there cooking. I turned them once. That Kentucky bass wanted to bow up. But they're cooking. Let's give them half hour. Let them get good and crispy. A lot of the breading's falling off, but they ought to still be good. Well, there they're done. We're going to let them cool off a while. Then we're going to eat them. I got our little drum here. Kind of hot. Oh, I eat fish, old Granny said. Cold fish ain't no good. Really mild, tasty. Good fish. Be back with you when we get eating the Kentucky bass. As you can see there, there's the other half of that drum, boneless. They're a member of the sunfish species. It's a good bite of fish here. And here's our spotted bass. I think bass like to get warmy. Don't pay attention to them, don't much matter. Yep, I've always thought bass been tasty all my days. I haven't ate too many of them. About noon, getting hot. I've done been in the river twice. I'm gonna finish my lunch. Too much shade on these gravel bars. Come July and August, that could be a problem. We've had our minnow trap in for a couple hours. We'll get up and check it here in a little bit. I think this afternoon, I think it's about 12:30. This afternoon, I'm gonna play in the water and look at gravel and not do much fishing. Maybe later this evening. Hey, we got minnows in our minnow trap. All kinds of them. Shiner. Sure is. All kinds of them again today. Water feels awesome. Just flopping in their viewers. Now that we got them, we don't want to lose them. Them ought to be fine till later this evening. We'll come get them then. Yep, still sitting in the shade. It's after 2 o'clock now. Had that live drum out there since about 10:30. I did see him get nervous around noon or so. Time for a snack. This orange is still cool, been in the cooler. It ought to be delicious. The one yesterday was. This is the last one though. Be alright. Alright viewers, it's about 3 o'clock. We're headed downstream. Find some better shady spot. I had enough of this hot gravel bar out in the sun. Let's get to the other side of the river. Get shadier over there sooner. Turn it back on when we get down there and see what's up. It is now 3 o'clock. And definitely found the shade for the rest of the afternoon and evening. Let me show you what's going on around here a little bit. We come from right up there. Just went around the bend. Pulled in here to the, it's probably 100 yards out to that river there across that gravel bar. A lot of gravel to look. And we're 45 yards from the river to the raft. That's going to be our fishing area over there later once we get some shade, hopefully. Our shiners are fine. We got a bunch of dry camp wood. I think we scored a big one here. Actually, I've camped here a few times, and I have found artifacts on this bar down behind that dry washed up rat keep. There. I've looked it out here. Man, you think there's got to be something there. I didn't look all that bar up there. We'll see what happens in the morning out there. Yeah, it's kind of bright out here. Gravel's all dirty, most of it. Yeah, first place I looked for an artifact right in through there. I found them right across down through there. There's the raft. There's our fishing hole for the night. Couple down trees, slid off the bank. Another one down in the river down there. Gonna fish right here. There's our minnows down there still swimming around. Alright, stay tuned. Fishing later. Got some shade, got some breeze. Ain't no denying this. Tearing up this air mattress. Laying down this afternoon. It's a rest before I fish later. Maybe walk around and look for an artifact on this cool gravel bar. Stay tuned. My, oh my, don't that look so inviting? Not too thick, just enough to separate me from the ground. First time I actually used it. First time I actually ever laid on it. Feel too bad. Awesome place here. Great day I'm having. Hope you're enjoying the videos. It's after 4. Today's the 6th of June. We need a sunfish for live bait. Wasn't a very good cast. I wanted to get out by the current seam. See this weed bed? Grass grew up along here. Good place to catch channel cat, bass, right off from them, everything else. It's a good place later with our shiners. I think we probably got 20 of them. We need a live bait. Sunfish fishing. Bluegill. Hopefully not no drum. No sunfish. Sunfish species of drum. Still gonna try for that dang sunfish. Bluegill. The other stone perch we fished with earlier today was out there probably 5 hours. When I reeled in, it was gone. Guard did take him, I reckon. I see a little channel cat. He bit on night crawlers and during night crawlers. Cool. I don't know, 4 or 5 channel cats. I ain't sure. You can really see the speckles on this one. I hope you can. Thanks for playing, buddy. Down to dunk my head in the river. We hooked up again. Ha ha ha. Another one. That same size. We got thousands of them out there. Probably not too far from us. Sweet, man, them are good ones. See if I can do this. Not bleeding. What's that? A little bit there. We hope he makes it. Good luck, buddy. Thanks for playing. He should make it. Getting back out there real quick. We have some pretty good taker. Pretty good fish. Maybe 2 pounds. Huh. Nicer channel cat. Now watch, it'll get dark later tonight and we'll fish with shiners or right before dark. And we won't catch a fish. Biting in the daytime, these ripples. Ooh, come on, Bill. He likes this. Oh, come on. Put my hand on it. This is the biggest one we caught. Channel cat. Okay, when that happens, hook goes in your ringer. Throw that hook and these needle tips on these little channel cat. Thanks for playing. Yeah, later tonight, right before dark, be out here fishing them shiners and whatever, there won't be nothing hidden. Watch that. It happens a lot. We had enough of that sun, sit in the shade, gonna rest a little bit, and then we're gonna look at this gravel here behind us. This is always a good color. That orange, yellow looking color. I think it means it's been near a fire. I've seen some pretty good points and blades made out of that color. That orange, yellow, whatever you want to call it. Which luck, we need to find an artifact on this channel. Gosh darn it. It's after 6. I retrieved our shiners. Re-rig this thing up. Broke that swivel rig with them red beads off. Let's give this a while. Our drum's still sitting there. If we catch something else, we'll reel it in, check it. If we catch another drum, we'll put a piece of cut bait on. Heck with it. Still fishing? Stay tuned. Taking a little drum off. Put a big shiner on here. Fish biting them both. Black one on the left got thumped pretty hard. Probably got the bait off both of them. Oh, dang. Something on down there. Yeah, we got gar. Straight across top of the water. Yeah. Be nice. Oh my goodness. Sometimes, viewers, these fish really probably wrecked my hook. Nope. Didn't wreck our hook. Sharp nose I'll be darned. Short-nosed gar. I don't know if he's worth all that effort. So we'll turn him loose anyway. I'm only going to use one pole. We got plenty of bait. I don't know if you can tell it, but there's a really small wire hook on there. If we hook anything very big at all, quite sure it'll straighten. Maybe. I need to Walmart, get some tackle. I've been stretching it thin. Need to get a new rod too, for real. We'll probably have it before we go out again fishing next time. Definitely need tackle. Up on something here. Taking it easy. I think it's too big. Pretty cool. I think it's another channel cat. About the same size we've been catching. Whole fishing trip. Boat trip, rafting trip. Look at these gravel bars. I walked with these gravel bars, my feet's sore. Well, we would have had a dandy. That's a channel cat. Same there. Yeah, I know. Getting lazy. Thanks for playing. Well, viewers, we're going to call it for the night. I'm tired. I'm going to get another bite to eat. Got some live shiners left. Definitely going to get rid of them. Let them live. They serve their purpose. Got some real heroes here. Long day. Might fish a little bit more in the morning before the sun gets too high. Awesome looking area. They ain't even walked out there and looked at any of that gravel. It's all dirty though. Oh, that's what I'm having before I lay down. Some romaine noodles. Works for me. Put a little of that in with our noodles. Garlic and herb seasoning. Add to the chicken. Quite a big bite. Definitely. Just a little of that garlic and herb or whatever you think you might want. Man, it really made this dish delicious. Meal, college students. Good stuff. I'm laying here on this bar. Hope the deer herd don't trample me tonight. A lot of deer tracks everywhere, but they won't bother a guy. Funny, I didn't hear no coyotes last night. I've heard a lot of coyotes in these bottoms. I'll catch y'all in the morning. Give me some rest. Just captured that raccoon running up the bank there. Oh, I don't know. It ain't 7 o'clock yet. I packed up camp early and been floating down this burbs. Old sunken upside down fiberglass boat. I don't know when they started making fiberglass, but as long as I can remember, that boat's been upside down here in the middle of that Bourbon River my whole life. Hadn't been video this morning. It's been mist and rain. Didn't want to get this phone wet. But we have come to the end of our adventure on the Anchor Bay Raft. Shoto Claim Fishing Access, Moselle, Missouri. Thanks for viewing.